Welcome to Fiery Smart Support. My name is Leah, your virtual Fiery DFE assistant, and in today's video I would like to show you how to enable Fiery Job Expert on your Fiery server. Job Expert is a groundbreaking technology that automatically analyzes incoming PDF files and intelligently selects the optimal print settings. This ensures the highest output quality while reducing processing time. Job Expert is available on external Fiery servers running FS400 Pro software or greater. Job Expert will analyze each PDF print job in detail, automatically set the optimal Fiery job settings and efficiently process each job to achieve the best possible print quality. To enable Job Expert in Command Workstation, import a job by clicking Import Job. In the Import Files window, check the option Apply Job Expert in the lower left corner. Select a preset or choose all categories and click on Hold to save the settings. Alternatively, right-click on a spooled job in the held queue and select Apply Job Expert. After applying Job Expert to a job, you can use the Job Expert report to view a summary and explanation of the settings optimized for that specific job. The preview functionality allows you to visualize which elements required certain settings to be enabled. How to access the Job Expert report. There are two ways to open the report. Right-click the job in the queue and select View Report from the context menu. Or, in the Job Summary area, click the View Report link under the Job Expert information. Hope this video will guide you through on how to enable Job Expert on your Fiery controller. Thank you for watching.